everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying out a new foundation. So this is going to be the Primark £5 dupe for the Estee Lauder £32 foundation. I have it on now. Which way? I don't know. You tell me. But yeah, I hope you enjoy my video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy. But let's get straight to it. So I'm really excited to film this video because I feel like if this is a really good dupe, then you can save yourself a lot of money. So basically you've got the Estee Lauder foundation doublewear, and this retails for £32 I think. Which is a lot of money to spend on a foundation. And there's been a lot of conspiracy that the Primark £5 double coverage matte foundation is a dupe for it. I mean, the packaging is very similar. So yeah, I'm just really interested to see if they're actually really similar. So I'm going to do one side Estee Lauder, the other side Primark. And let's have a look at the shades. So I've got the shades Toffee and Nude Beige. Like I said, these were £5 each. And how many mil are we getting in here? So you're getting 32 mil, which is really, really good. Your standard foundation is 30 mil, so you're getting 2 more mil extra, which is amazing. The Estee Lauder doublewear in the shade 2C2 Pale Almond, and this is 30 mil. So 30 mil, 32 mil, £5, £32. Pretty insane. If you're also interested in my eye look, I actually did film a video on this. I'll link it down below. It was trying out the Primark £1 stamp crease, and I'll just let you go watch it. That's the two shades there, Toffee and Nude Beige. So I'm just going to go in with Toffee, and this one is going to be a bit too light for me, but we'll just make it work and bronzer more on one side. Oh, I'm so excited to see if this actually works. Okay, right, so your doublewear foundation, I'm pretty sure this one isn't a matte finish. I can't actually remember. I haven't actually worn this foundation in so long, so I can't remember if that is a matte finish, but this one is supposed to be a matte finish. So I'm just going to pour some on the back of my hand of Toffee. Actually, let's do the Estee Lauder one first. So I'm going to pour the Estee Lauder foundation onto the back of my hand. I'm just going to take this Morphe flat brush and start applying this. This is not a too bad colour, to be fair. I would say let's do pumps, but you have to buy the pump separately for Estee Lauder, and the Primark one doesn't come with one. And I'm unaware if you can buy a pump for that foundation. It would be pretty funny if you could though. When I was actually picking out this foundation, I went to the new Birmingham Primark, and there was two ladies there, well 3 ladies there, and they were like, oh my god, this is supposed to be similar to the doublewear Estee Lauder doublewear. And it was so funny because as I was picking it out, I was obviously buying it for the exact same reason. And they were trying to like swatch their shades on their hand, and one of the friends was like the colour matcher, like she was going around to all her friends and like colour matching, saying I think you'll be that one or go with that one. And I was just there like next to them like okay, so the Estee Lauder one's actually giving me a lot of glow. It looks wet on my skin. I don't know if you see that, it looks wet. I'm hoping that dries down. Okay. So I think that's pretty medium coverage right now. I'm going to zoom you up close so you can have a look. So this is the coverage with the Estee Lauder. You can see I've still got redness. And it's giving me a bit of colour. But here you can still see I've got a bit of redness there. And yeah, just overall mainly on my chin, it's still coming through a little bit red. But we can go in and build that up after. So I'm changing brush now. And I'm going to apply Toffee onto a different part of my hand. Okay, so already this one is appearing a lot thicker. So I think what I'm going to do is shake it first, because I shake the Estee Lauder one as well. Okay, now let's put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, this one is so thick. Can you see I'm like holding it out and it's taking forever to come out? Okay. That will do. I'm hoping. For half my face, I think it should be fine. So let's go. Oh, it's quite smooth. Whoa. Okay. This is definitely more my tan shade. And this one isn't. So we've definitely got a different colour in shades. I think Toffee's quite a nice shade if you actually have fake tan on. Like, it's really got that really nice golden warm undertone, and I haven't had that in a foundation for a while, so I quite like this shade for tan. It's doing well so far. I don't know if it's because I haven't applied as much as the Estee Lauder, but the Estee Lauder one is still a little bit more full coverage. As you can see here, I've just got that little bit of redness showing through. And the Estee Lauder one, I do have redness, but this foundation isn't really giving me the best coverage that I want at the moment. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Toffee. Okay, yeah, can you see now? That's really built that side up. So I'm just going to pop off and do the rest of my makeup and then come back and let you know how well the foundation performed whilst doing the rest of my makeup. So the makeup is all on and everything went on really smoothly. I didn't have any issues, but however, I have to add, I forgot how mattifying Estee Lauder foundation is. Like, I have oily skin, but when I was applying my Naked Skin concealer on top, that's what I used, oh my god, it was like tugging on it. Like, it was literally like grabbing to it when I was trying to like blend it out. I was like, oh my god. Like, I feel like if you don't have an oily skin type and you're dry, you're probably not going to get on with Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's not going to be the best for your skin type. I'd say they have another range called Water Fresh, I think it is, the Estee Lauder do, and that one's a little bit more for a drier skin type. But anyway, this side isn't as drying, and I don't think it was as full coverage. But what you gotta remember is it's £5, so you're not gonna get completely the same, I don't think. At least that's what I found anyway. But overall, it is really nice coverage. I'd say it's medium to full, my personal opinion. I don't think that it's straight off full. I do think you can build it up to full though. It's definitely capable of doing it. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on both the foundations. Obviously Estee Lauder is a full coverage foundation, and you can definitely wear it light or even full depending on how much product you use, and the same goes for the Primark foundation. I think it just depends on, you know, how much product you're using, but definitely if you want to kind of use the Primark foundation full coverage, I personally found that you had to build up a little bit more. But yeah, that concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to subscribe down below. Without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video.